notes on this skip tooth chain. In the video, I don't think I expressed my shock at how fast this thing cut. Now, in the third cut, I actually eased up on the saw. It's cutting so fast. I mean, the saw is just pulling through this wood. So my thoughts are, this is a 25-inch bar. If I went to a 32 or even a 36, which I think is probably the limit, and put one of these chains on, you could take out huge trees, because it seems that with less teeth, the RPMs stay so high that you're just ripping through there. So enjoy the video and know that I'm looking pretty cool in the video, but on the inside, this is scary fast. I heard rumor that a skip chain will cut better than a regular chain, so today we're going to test that out. Can you see down here, YouTube? This is the skip chain. Now, I don't have any experience with the skip chain, so this is going to be my first time using one. But you can see it's got half the teeth. See, when I line up these teeth, this is the same size chain, and we got 3 teeth to 4 teeth. So let's give this a shot. Let's hook these up to our saw. We're using a Stihl 462 today. It's a pretty good powerhouse. We got a decent size piece of oak, and let's get started. Okay, that's a pretty good cut. Now, I didn't time this cut because I really don't care if it cuts it in 20 seconds or 22 seconds. That's not the case. What I just wanted to get is the feel of the chain. And this chain is brand new and it's sharp. And it's pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth. And it cut well. There was no kickbacks. I didn't hear the saw bog any. So we know that's a good chain, and that's a regular chain. So we're going to switch chains, and we're going to try the skip chain and see if we get the same feeling that we're getting from a regular chain. See if these old timers' advice is any good. Okay, YouTube, I gotta admit, that skip chain cut the hell out of this log. But you can see the cuts are a little inconsistent. But I got it was faster. It was faster. it just doesn't look like as good of a cut. Maybe my chain is too loose or something. I don't know. We'll, actually, let me try it again. Well, if it starts. Yeah, I tightened the chain. It still cuts faster, just doesn't cut as good. And I think what's happening is because there's less teeth, the RPMs in the chainsaw are a lot higher with this chain, and it's just ripping. So if you're a firewood cutter, this is great. You will knock out some big logs, and this is a big, hard piece of oak. So who knows? I mean, I'll keep switching back and forth with chains and figure it all out in the end. So please like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. We're Hoof and Homestead. We're just out here trying to make a life out here in the country. Have a great day.